What's up YouTube and DorkiDori fans, it's London Midnight. I'm at my day job, it's Friday, and I'm going to install my prototype DorkiDori Street Track coilovers today. I've been working on these with another manufacturer since December of last year, and they've turned out to be really cool. There's still a few tweaks that need to be made to them, because I know you guys are really big on getting like super low, so that's something I have to adjust on the rear coilovers. But yeah, I'm really excited. I'm specifically having these coilovers made so they're good on both street and track, and they don't like rattle your kidneys to death. They're not overly dampened, or they're not overly like aggressive as far as driving goes. So I'll see how this turns out over the next couple weeks as far as driving around on them, and I hope to get them up on the site by maybe like end of April, if not like beginning of May. Fingers crossed, but with everything that's been happening this year, who knows? Anyway, here's the install video for the coilovers. I hope you guys enjoy it.